वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज का टॉपिक है करियर ऑप्शंस इन कॉमर्स। कॉमर्स फील्ड में बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस हैं। अगर आप 10th के बाद कॉमर्स ऑप्ट करते हैं 11th में 12th में, या ग्रेजुएशन करना चाहते हैं या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करना चाहते हैं, तो कॉमर्स फील्ड में क्या क्या ऑप्शन है, किस तरह से आपको जॉब मिल सकती है, क्या क्या ऑप्शंस आप देख सकते हैं, कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कॉमर्स सब्जेक्ट को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए। तो अगर आप 10th में हैं और कॉमर्स लेने चाहते हैं तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कितने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं कॉमर्स में भी। और अगर आपने कॉमर्स ले ली है 11th-12th में है तो कॉमर्स में आगे क्या ऑप्शंस हैं ग्रेजुएशन में, जॉब्स में, तो वो भी आपको इधर पता चल जाएगा। जनरली कॉमर्स को हम रिलेट करते हैं CA CS से, पर बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑप्शंस हैं जिनके बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं है, तो उन ऑप्शंस को भी हम आज कंसीडर करेंगे। सिर्फ CA CS तक बात सीमित नहीं है, हम और भी ऑप्शंस देखेंगे और फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि कॉमर्स फील्ड में कितने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। और कॉमर्स फील्ड बिल्कुल वैरायटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे पास, हम कुछ भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं जो हमारे अकॉर्डिंग है। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना एंड वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, वी विल सी द करियर ऑप्शंस. The first one is the known one, which is CA. CA course is of 5 years, which includes your IPCC, your CPT, and your CA finals. Okay, so this is the CA course. A CA is responsible for drafting monthly and annual financial report, ensuring compliance with state revenue, monitoring and releasing online payments of the company, managing the company expenses. So this is the work of CA, and the course is of 5 years. Minimum 5 years course, in which you have to clear first the CPT round and then the IPCC 2 rounds and then CA finals. Now let's move to another option, which is also the known one. CS. This is also the foremost known course. This course is offered by ICSI, Indian Institute of Company Secretaries of India. The company secretary is responsible to manage administration of company, ensuring regulatory and statutory requirements, and ensuring the pronouncements of boards of directors of the company. It offers 3 program: foundation, executive, and professional programs. And each year is of and each course is of minimum 1 year. Career option: you can just become compliance officer, chief advisor of board of directors of company. You can be legal advisor or public or private sector jobs you can apply for. So this is the role of company secretary. It's a very good course, but it's known. But if you want for some another course, then you can see the next slide. Next is financial management. This course focuses on deeper study of finance and financial management, budgeting, capital structuring, capital management are the work of study. सो इसमें कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के, बजटिंग के, कैपिटल फंडिंग, स्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए जो भी कोर्स डिटेल है वो इस रिगार्डिंग होगी। इसमें वेरियस सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स भी होते हैं इसमें, जैसे कि CFP है, सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर का कोर्स है, या चार्टर्ड फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट का कोर्स आप कर सकते हैं, या फिर फाइनेंशियल रिस्क मैनेजर का कोर्स कर सकते हैं, या फिर सर्टिफाइड पब्लिक अकाउंटेंट CPA कर सकते हैं। इसमें कंपनी के जो करियर ऑप्शंस आपको मिलेंगे उसमें पेरोल एसोसिएट आप एज अ जॉब आप ले सकते हैं, फाइनेंस ऑफिसर बन सकते हैं, फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर बन सकते हैं, फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट, इन्वेस्टमेंट एनालिस्ट, अकाउंटेंट, फाइनेंशियल ऑडिटर आप बन सकते हैं। तो ये आपका फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स है, तो आप इस फील्ड को भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं। इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में है तो ये फील्ड कॉमर्स ऑप्शन में ही आती है। अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर बनना है तो आपको CFA से सर्टिफिकेशन लेना होगा, उसके बाद आपको बैचलर डिग्री करनी होगी। इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स मेनली फाइनेंशियल ऑपरेशंस और मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, MBA इन फाइनेंस ऑल्सो द पॉपुलर कोर्स। फाइनेंशियल ऑपरेशंस और मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट रिलेटेड ये कोर्स है इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग। आप इसे एज अ PG कोर्स भी कर सकते हैं, MBA इन फाइनेंस करके। और इसमें करियर ऑप्शन है कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर बन जाएंगे, सेल्स एंड ट्रेडिंग आपका वर्क होगा, एंड बैंकिंग, फाइनेंशियल मार्केटिंग। तो नेक्स्ट कोर्स है फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट। इसके लिए आपको बैचलर इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन यानी कि BBA, या फिर मास्टर इन फाइनेंस विद क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स, विच हेल्प्स इन करियर एज अ फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट। फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट बनने के लिए आप या तो BBA करिए या फिर मास्टर्स करिए फाइनेंस के अंदर। तब आपको जो करियर ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे वो है इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में आप एज अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर एनालिस्ट वर्क कर सकते हैं, सिक्योरिटी फर्म में कर सकते हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनीज हैं बहुत सारी, वहाँ पे एज अ फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट आप वर्क कर सकते हैं। स्टॉक्स परचेजिंग, जो भी कंपनी स्टॉक परचेज एंड सेल करती है, ब्रोकर का जो वर्क होता है, वहाँ पर भी फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, तो आप वहाँ पर भी वर्क कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है वेरी पॉपुलर बैंकिंग। बैंकिंग में आप पब्लिक सेक्टर या प्राइवेट सेक्टर किसी में भी जॉब कर सकते हैं। बैंकिंग इज़ अ वास्ट फील्ड दैट ऑपरेट्स इन लोन, इन्वेस्टमेंट, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, करेंसी एक्सचेंज एंड डिपॉजिट। विद अ बैचलर और मास्टर डिग्री इन फाइनेंस वन कैन एंटर इन दिस फील्ड। अगर आप BCom है, BBA है, MCom है, MBA है, तो ये फील्ड बैंकिंग का आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं एज अ करियर ऑप्शन। इसमें आपको एज अ ऑडिटर की आपको पोस्ट मिल सकती है, बैंकर, फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट की मिल सकती है, लोन ऑफिसर आप बन सकते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर भी बन सकते हैं, बजट एनालिस्ट बन सकते हैं, ब्रोकर बन सकते हैं। बैंक में भी ब्रोकर्स होते हैं जो कि बैंक की डील्स फाइनल करवाते हैं विद वेरियस कंपनीज, जो कि वेरियस MNCs जो कि स्टॉक में ट्रेड करती हैं या फिर और भी बिजनेस के साथ बैंकिंग को रिलेट करती हैं। फिर है नेक्स्ट मोस्ट पॉपुलर कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. It is a part of managerial study of accounting focusing on the various cost data available in the company. It is a part of course covered in bachelor and master degree. Career options: accountant, financial advisor, financial director, chief auditor, chief accountant. Cost accounting is somehow related with chartered accounting, but it's a part of chartered accounting. Chartered accounting is a whole group which will include all the financial study, accounting study and everything, but in cost accounting the main focus, the main objective will be cost data. So this field, you can also choose this field of cost accounting. The next is economics. In economics there is various fields. You can become a research analyst, data analyst or economist. Now we know what the field offers. It is a 3 year course that involves a study of concept, case study, analyst of economics. To go in this field, you need to complete your BCom or BBA, which is Bachelor in Business Administration or Bachelor of Commerce. Base and backbone, or either you can do BA in economics or BSc in economics. This will enhance your deeper knowledge of economics. Base and backbone, every industry, company and field specialization in economics opens a lot of doors in various fields in India and overseas. Career options you can get is strategist. You can become a strategist of company, which strategize the plans and economics, funds, etc. You can become economist, research analyst, risk management analyst, and many more. So this field you can also choose. Now next is statistics. Now, a statistic is a numerical data, study of numerical data, solving cases studies, open opportunity in public and private sector. Statistics jobs you can find in various public sectors also. Government also provide employment for statistic field, and you can get this job in private sector easily because most of the companies need statistics which studies their graphs of growth and their flaws of company. Using a various statistical tools like ANOVA, regression analysis, G-squared, and many more for research and analyst studies, statisticians achieve result and expertise as statistical consultant. Career option, you can become statistician, professor, business analyst, data analyst, risk analyst, or mathematicians. Mathematicians, analyst, analyst, mathematicians means the field is not related with algebra or arithmetic, will be related with only statistics. That is with business only. Now next is actuarial science. Dealing with matters of uncertainty, professionals in this discipline are professionally trained to solve risk in insurance and other major risks involved in the industry. And other profession, it requires a rigorous study of mathematics. Career option you can choose is investment consultants, life and health insurance, pension funds, government jobs as a finance consultant. So actuarial science, you have options like you can be in government jobs as a finance consultant, and you can work in insurance company or investment consultant you can become. Business management is also a good, and various fields are included in this. It's a vast field. You can choose the sub fields inside it, and it's a very good opportunity. Business run on system, process, ideas, clients. They need to be administered timely to better flow of business in the market. This is when BBA graduates, that is Bachelor in Business Administration graduates, come in to be established independent entities, entrepreneur, or even government companies all need BBA. This course is of 3 years, specializing career and course basis on banking and insurance. You can get investment banker, credit and risk manager, internal auditor, loan officer, recovery agent, finance, financial analyst, business analyst, tax assistant as a post of your job. If you choose human resource management, you will be PR manager, that is personal resource manager, HR executive, recruitment manager. You can be IT recruiter, production manager. IT, if you choose IT, then you can get graphic designing, information architect, information system, hardware, networking expert. Now if you choose communication and media management, inside business management, I'm telling, news reporter, you can be radio jockey, you can be TV anchor, you can be script writer, event planner, media planner, and many more. If you choose marketing, the field you will get is sales executive, marketing manager, production manager, brand manager, market research analyst, hospitality and hotel management, catering manager, hotel coordinator manager, billing executive, guest relation manager, floor manager. So there's various fields in hotel management also. And if you choose foreign trade, then you can be retail manager, business development manager, supply chain manager, export manager, international business manager. If you choose sports management, yeah, sports management is also a course which is very good. You can be athletic director, facility manager, sports agent. You can become and work on these various sports grounds of your choice, of your job, according to your jobs. Hospital and healthcare management is also a field. You can get posted in as a hospital administrator, staff administrator, billing executive, relationship manager, front desk executive. In every business which is like of healthcare system, of marketing, or banking, insurance, of education, or MNCs, there's in every field there's a post. There are various posts related with management, so you can apply on and you can get a job there also. But you need to complete your bachelor's and master's in business management, then you will be qualified for these posts. Now next is foreign trade. Understanding the exchange of goods, capital and services on international borders. You have to trade, you have to export and import. So basically you have to be on the international borders to exchange your goods and capitals and services. Some college offers a specific courses related to this, which is Bachelor in Foreign Trade, which is specifically you have decided to trade, to go in this foreign trade, then you can just opt for the option which is Bachelor of Foreign Trade. Or you can get with MBA in integrated course on foreign trade. BA in foreign trade is also a course. Now you'll get career options as if relationship manager, foreign trade manager, export manager, foreign trade analyst, and business development analyst. Now next is also a popular option. You can choose BCA also. It's a world of IT, so you can choose BCA, that is Bachelor in Computer Application. Technology marketing is its way right up and conquering the future, give loads of opportunities for young minds to explore parts of coding, networking, managing platform, developing applications, managing database, etc. This is a 3 years course. BCA is an independent course of 3 years, after which you can opt for job, or you can choose masters, which is MCA, Master in Computer Application. Many change stream here and join management and go for MBA also, which is Master in Business Administration. So BCA is a 3 years course, which is Bachelor in Computer Application. If you have studied commerce till 12th, then you can also go for BCA if you want. And after BCA, you can do a job, or you can just get mastered in MCA or MBA also. Career option: you could be a computer programmer, you could be a lecturer, you could be a software developer, data scientist, technical support executive, and computer system analyst. Now next is you can opt for LLB also. You can go for law options also. If till 12th, if you have opt for commerce, then also you can just go for LLB. There is no related with only humanities. LLB is a study of constitution and laws. It can be pursued almost after any degree or master degree. It is an open educative segment. This is a 4-year course. After LLB, one can study for LLM also, that is masters, or you can get in as a career option of lawyer. You can be a lecturer. Civil services you can join by clearing UPSC exams, etc. exams, your state PSUs, or you can be a legal advisor to a company, to a firm, and to government companies also. Now next is hotel management. Hotel management is also offers variety of jobs and variety of fields, such as hotel management stream is a hospitality industry. It works with hotel, club, resort, tourism, and more. As per tourism industry is growing, hotel management career options are also growing. Now you can opt employment in special fields such as culinary management, food and beverage management, housekeeping management, marketing and sales operations. Now the career options are: you can join, you can be posted in hotels, resorts, you can be in airlines also as a hotel management assistant or trainee. You can be in corporate sector, executive chef, you can become clubs, you can join entrepreneur and food chains. Next is travel and tourism. Travel and tourism is a pleasure and business industry. It involves giving people memories to cherish. It caters to accommodating and attracting tourists to the place and helping them to explore and understand the culture and cuisine of the place. It involves studying hotel, resort planning, environment studies, intercultural communication, food management, service management, and much more. Travel and tourism is related with pleasure, and it can be your business also. So you can go in the field of travel and tourism if you are interested in getting jobs of mobility, which is you can be somehow in other part of country or nation, and then you can go to other part of nation or a country. So you can choose option of travel and tourism. Career options are travel specialist. You can be travel specialist, you can be a guide, you can be a travel interpreter, you can be a travel consultant, you can be a travel blogger. Airlines, immigration, and travel agencies also specifies the jobs on travel and tourism. Now next you can choose BA degree courses also. If you want bachelor's in administration, you can choose after 12th also, which is you can opt for BA in economics, history, political science, psychology, sociology, anthropology, literature, actuarial science, geography, education, econometrics, philosophy, linguistic, rural development, economics with public finance and trade. So these are the options in BA degree courses. Now next, graduation courses in arts. You can choose any of these courses. If you find yourselves to be in the arts category, you want bachelor in arts and after obtaining commerce till 12th, so you can join these options also. Now next options are most trendy one. Now these are the options which are on a boom right now. You can be a graphic designer. You can design the graphics and the post for a company, an MNC or a firm or an institute. You can be a data analyst which studies on the data of a company. You can be a freelancer doing part-time jobs, different jobs for different company. You can be virtual assistant to some company. You can be a typist to some company. So you can choose freelancers options also. You are not bound in this. You can do any work of any company at any time. So the next are also the most boomed sectors, which are digital marketing. You can just choose the field of digital marketing, which offers various opportunities as the business is and the world is digital and the business is also online. So you can opt for digital marketing, how to market your business on digital platforms. And you can go in specialization with social media manager also. You can become social media manager, which manages the social accounts of company or a business. As per the boom and the rise of social media, this field is on the rise of providing jobs and employment. So you can choose and consider these fields also. So now various options are considered for you. So you have known various options in commerce except CA, CS and bank also. So you can opt any field. So these and many numerous options are also there. If you want, I'll make a next video on it. But these are the options you can consider. If you are considering commerce as your subject, then you can see these options. Or if you want something else, then I'll make a video on that topic specifically. And please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.